No, don't break my earrings. I don't need my earrings. Teely, stop hitting my earrings. Okay, I clearly can't wear earrings. Hello everybody, it's Melanie and Telia. I actually got her to be in front of the camera, which is amazing because normally she hides from it. So we're back with a new video and I have decided to do 10 reasons on why you should get a bird. So birds are magnificent creatures, but here's 10 things you probably didn't think of before, considering getting a bird. Number 1, have you ever had a jar that's so hard to open you just can't manage? Don't worry, a bird's got your back. Number 2, ever got papers that you need shredded but you don't have a shredder? Not a problem, your bird's got your back. Number 3, ever feeling a little bit lonely and you just want someone to cuddle with? Birds are perfect for that. You gotta teach them to cuddle, but once you kind of just hold them in place, they'll eventually get used to it and not try and run away from your hands. Number 4, food tester. You're ever curious or worried that your food may be poisoned by some unknown source? Don't worry, a bird's gonna try it before you can. AKA, you better be ready to share your plate because your bird's gonna be on top of every food and wanna try everything. Yum, yum, yum. Nom, nom, nom. Nom, nom, nom. Well, do you want bird feet?
No.
I wasn't expecting that. Okay. How is it, Teely? Do you approve? Do you approve? Number 5. Do you have a dirty keyboard that you just haven't bothered to clean? Don't worry, put your bird on that keyboard and she'll rub her face all over it and probably make it dirtier. Rub your face, Teely. Good job. See? Number 6. Do you have trouble waking up in the morning and you have like 6 alarm clocks set and none of them are doing anything? You still can't manage to wake up and you're kind of a night owl. Not a problem, because your bird is probably going to wake you up at 6 in the morning screaming, and if they see you fall back asleep, they'll continue screaming some more. And they'll let you know that you're not allowed to sleep until they're happy. Number 7. You hate going to the hairdresser because sometimes they kind of just trim your hair wrong, or they didn't really do how exactly that photo of that celebrity you wanted your hair to look like turned out. Or your hair is just a little bit dirty and you just need to clean it out but too lazy to take a shower? Don't worry. She'll preen your hair, she'll clean it, she'll bite it, she'll chew it. Hairdresser. Can you grab it? Number 8. Haven't seen the dentist for a while because it's too expensive? Don't worry, because your bird is going to pick at your teeth and try and take everything, and you're going to probably look awkward in family gatherings when your bird is inside your mouth. Number 9. Here's something you didn't know. Birds make a great hat. You want that super authentic, feathery looking hat? Don't worry, put your bird on your head and they'll look fantastic. Bird hat. 10. Are you ever someone who wants attention all the time? but I mean all the time, not a problem, because your bird is going to want that attention too. They are going to scream for your attention. When you're going to the bathroom, they're going to scream for your attention. When you're trying to eat, they're going to scream for your attention. When you're trying to sleep, they're going to scream for your attention. It's all the attention you ever dreamed of. Here we go, hi! So there it is, 10 reasons why you should consider getting a bird. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and follow Telia on her Instagram. Glad she was able to join us in this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye!